Welcome everyone. Let us make a yummy breakfast with just 2 potatoes and a bunch of chickpeas. Pressure cook them until they are nicely soft. Now in a bowl, take the boiled chickpeas, mash them nicely. Also do the same process with the potatoes. After mashing and mixing them, time to add some chopped onions, chopped green chilies, and chopped coriander. Add roasted jeera, coriander powder, red chili powder, chaat masala, salt. Mix it all well. Now take some besan or chickpea flour, add salt, ajwain, red chili powder, turmeric. Mix well by using some water, make a thick batter. The batter should be little on the thicker side so that you can dip your patty and fry it. So adjust the consistency according to the need. Now add some baking soda for the fluffy batter. As I told you, take one patty and dip it in the besan mixture and start frying. You can either deep fry or shallow fry. I am shallow frying. This is one way to cut the calories in the patty. Make sure you fry on each side of the patty, including the edges. If you feel they are ending up little dry, you can keep drizzling on some oil time and again. You can also bake them in an oven at 175 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now there are many other options to eat it. I am making a easy basic sandwich. Take white bread slices and put the patty inside. Add your favorite seasonings and on the tawa, just make the sandwich this way. It will end up as your favorite breakfast option. You can always customize this sandwich by adding few more veggies like cucumber, tomatoes, coriander leaves, etc. Another way to use these patties for breakfast or either for an evening snack is to mash them up in a roti just like this and add some cheese, ketchup, and other seasonings of your choice. I'm using some pizza leftovers like oregano and chili flakes. Now cover it up with one more roti and heat it in microwave or tawa. This is a very filling option for breakfast. So try these and tell me how it went. Thank you so much for taking time to watch my video. Bye-bye.